So what's going on, everyone? Back with another unboxing, and this time I'm going to be unboxing CLYW. So yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah. Sometimes Yo-Yo Expert confuses me with their packaging. Yeah. So kind of have to rip it off. Let's put this away. And yes. So as you already guessed from the title, I'm going to be unboxing CLYW today. The Big Dipper and the Blizzard. Been looking forward to the Blizzard. So yeah, let's not waste any time. I'm gonna need my knife again. Well, oh, okay. So I ordered Emerald, which is this color right here. And yeah. So they always ship with fat kitty string. So here it is. The Big Dipper. And I really like the shape. It reminds me a lot of the Borealis, which is what the Big Dipper was based off of. Fits very nicely in the hand as well. I'm gonna look forward to playing this. Let me move this out the way. Okay, and now the Blizzard. So I've actually had the chance to play with a pre-production Blizzard. When I was at the LVO, I played with Michael Curdy's Blizzard. And I just thought to myself, this is like one of the best bimetals I've ever played with, so I have to get one. And fortunately enough, they had red, which is my favorite color. And wow. Okay. So before we get to the yo-yo, let's see what comes inside the box. So again, they always ship with fat kitty string. Here's the other one. Okay. And it comes with the bird nesting that pretty much all CLYW come with. And it comes with a sticker. Okay. Yeah, Endermator. Oh look, there's Polly's puff in there. Interesting. So yeah. Okay, now let's get on to the yo-yo itself. Yep. So the CLYW Blizzard. Andrew Mader's first signature yo-yo. Also CLYW's first bimetal yo-yo. And I just have to say, in person, this looks extremely clean. It's unbelievable. I just really like the way that the stainless steel rims pop against the anodized red background. And I really like the shape too. So yeah. So yeah, these are the two throws that I got. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna have fun with these. So yeah, thank you for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.